Hi everyone. Today I'll be making pepperoni chips. What all goes into the pepperoni chips? You'll need pepperoni and an air fryer. So let's begin. Take your pepperoni and then line them in your air fryer basket. Like so. Put your basket in the air fryer. Air fry. We don't want preheat. We don't want turn. We want it at 400 degrees for 6 minutes and hit start. So after the 6 minutes, we'll remove them and lay them on paper plate to drain. Let them sit for about 10 minutes and then they will crisp up. Make a couple more batches and then we'll do a taste test. So here are the air fryer pepperoni chips. Let's see what Dave thinks.
These are what are these?
Those are air fryer pepperoni chips. And if you want a dip, that's just pizza sauce.
Well, that's different. Well, these are pretty good either way. Be a handy little snack.
You have leftover pepperoni and don't know what to do with it? There you go.
I like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.